Guys, let's go over the banded leg extension. So if you have a leg extension in your gym, that's fantastic. Use that. But if you don't have access to one, this is a great alternative for it. We tend to program these in higher rep ranges, and so it tends to also be a nice accessory piece when strengthening the quad muscles. So what you'll need is, I don't know if you can see it here, I have a band looped up on a post. I got a nice bench, and then there is a little bit of a trick here, so watch the video in either slow motion or pause for getting your legs wrapped up in here properly. So what you want to do is you'll take one leg in there like that, okay, and then if you notice how this is the far part of the band, I'll grab that underneath or over it and then loop that, step into it that way. That way I have a nice lock in the band. So just from here, I'm going to lean back ever so slightly and then perform some leg extensions. Holding for about a 1 count at the top. And that right there is the banded leg extension.